My camera has malfunctioned due to some reason. I'll just start with the session. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the last session of today's seminar. Today's event has been very engaging and enlightening so far, and this session promises to add on to the experience. I would like to warmly welcome our guest, Mr. Abhijit Pathak, who has generously agreed to share his expertise with us. Sir is a senior scientist and divisional head.
Yeah, Honorable Principal Ma'am, and then Ms. Sale, who invited me, and I would like to take. It's my pleasure to join you people because you are celebrating one, you are organizing one a national seminar. So being a part of that, I'm really glad, and it's my pleasure to join it. So the topic selected for me is that the environment, global challenges, society, sustainability, and SDGs. And basically, this topic starts from the last abbreviations SDG, the Sustainable Development Goals, because that is the target. If we meet those targets, all these challenges and society well-being, everything will be addressed. Even the environment will be addressed, global challenges will be minimized, society will be uplifted from their point of view of well-being, and sustainability. Through sustainability, we have to achieve the SDGs. Now, this is a picture. I just captured this one. Indian well-being. What is Indian well-being? If you go to visit a village right now, you will see a scooter is being 4 to 5 people is riding a scooter. Even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 persons is riding on the scooter. 20 people watching a single TV. And people are in queue for their salary and wages. And we are gathering in a market or a shopping complex like this. So, but see in the extreme point of Western world, everything is meticulously decorated, everything is very finely, beautifully, aesthetically beautiful, comfortably well, and this is their well-being, and this is our well-being. And to bridge this gap, we have to go a long way. Because the country, their resources, their people, but basically their population, the citizens are most important. We have to bear the pressure of 142 people. But we cannot provide all these amenities to everybody to live like this. Now, bridging this one, or I am not trying to bring them down. I am trying to uplift the developing countries to the developed nation. That's what bridging is needed. And to bridge this one, we have to follow this particular word, sustainability. How far we can develop. We can bridge this gap, but the sustainability is important term because if we just ride those spacecraft to go there very rapidly, then the environment will face the main problem and the global challenges will increase. Our societal inequality will be more, then the whole thing will collapse one day. So that is not required. The art is for the human being. So human beings should have that facility logically established, develop, enjoy, and then live. So that's the objective of this topic. So I am not going that much technical. There may be some technical slides. I'll skip those slides. Too much technical I will not discuss. I will give this talk on theme only. Now, cause and effect of local issues, global importance. Everybody knows, but the interconnectivity is most important. the demand for food and shelter is increasing. Demand for water and land, demand for utilities and comfort. Why is that increasing? Because of population growth. This population growth is demanding this facility, and this demand ultimately translated into this part, transformed into this part. That demand of utilities and comfort. For this purpose, I need industrialization. For this purpose, I need development of domination. This is basically political term, definitely, and it is international politics. I'm a college, because industrialization is important for everyone. Now, development for domination. If one country starts industrialization to dominate others economically, you will think I am reaching that target to be more wealthy, and my living conditions will be much better. That domination is inviting a rat race, and that rat race is definitely impacting on industry. More industrialization, then more industrialization in a limited area is creating a problem in their own, and it is getting transferred to the adjacent country. And that way the global system is working. So population growth is creating this problem. To solve this problem, people are going to this objectives, fulfill their objectives. Let them do this. Over and misinterpretation will happen. And to do this, we have to cut our forest, because the land must be available for the industrialization. Land must be available for the industrialization. That's why we have to cut the forest. Then if you cut the forest, then carbon imbalance. Now if carbon imbalance is there and cutting the forest, then the precipitation and evaporation and precipitation balance will be disturbed. So altered hydrological cycle. So if you alter hydrological cycle, then ecological impact, natural stress on limited natural resources, this economic